Hi guys, my name's Raz and today we'll be looking at how to draw a straight line. So I'm just going to do two examples for this one. First one, we have the line y equals 3x plus 1 and we're asked to draw a straight line. So first question, if you've got experience in putting up a shelf, how many points of reference you need to make sure it's straight? Let's think about it. So I've got a shelf here. I need a point here, a point there. So 2, maybe 3 fill up. Yeah, so we need definitely 2 points, maybe 3. So that's what we use our table of values for. So we have x values and y values. So what we need to remember is this equation here works for all values of x and y. So when x has a value, y will have a corresponding value. So the easiest value to sub in is x equals 0. So when x is 0, y will be 3 times 0 plus 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Well, the next easiest value is probably x is 1. So when x is 1, y will have a corresponding value. What will that value be? Well, it will be 3 times 1 plus 1, because the equation is 3x plus 1. And 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So what I'm doing is I'm subbing the value into here. So when we did 3 times 0, we got 0, plus 1 gave us 1. When x is 1, we will have 3 times 1 plus 1, which gave us 4. So let's do x is 2 now as our third value, just in case. So we've got 3 times 2 plus 1, which is 7. So when x is 2, y is 7. And that's it. Now we just plot the points on the graph. So let me put some suitable values. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when x is 0, y is 1. That will go here. When x is 1, sorry, first one was garbage. When x is 0, y is 1. That will go here. When x is 1, y is 4. That will go there. And 2 7's off the graph, so it doesn't matter. And we draw that up, we connect the points. And that's the straight line. Job done. Let's do one more. Practice makes permanent and all that. So my advice, do you pause the video at this point and give it a go? Welcome back. So I've advised you to use 3 points, though 2 would suffice. What are the easiest values to substitute in? You got it. 0, 1, and 2. So when x is 0, we have 5 times 0 minus 2, which is 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. When x is 1, we have 5 times 1 minus 2, which is 5 take away 2, which gives us 3. When x is 2, our result ends up being 5 times 2, take away 2. So 10 take 2, which is 8. So those are 3 points. Let me put a scale on the axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, So we have a coordinate 0, -2. No, so I need some negatives. -1, -2, -3, -4. So 0, -2 will be here. 1, 3 goes across 1 up 3 and across 2 up 8, which will be off the grid again. We only need 2 points. Job done. Line drawn. So I hope you've enjoyed that brief tutorial on how to draw a straight line. Hope to see you soon. See you later.